Over 60? Eat these 7 cheap, high-protein foods to build muscle fast. Have you noticed that even when you eat well, your muscles still feel weaker every year? Carrying groceries tires you out, or standing up from a chair feels harder than it used to. If you're over 60 and feel your strength slipping away, you're not alone. The truth is that after the age of 50, we lose approximately 1 to 2% of our muscle mass every year. By the time we reach 80, many people have lost nearly 30% of their strength, and that can make everyday tasks a real challenge. Most people believe the only way to fight this is by buying expensive protein powders or pricey cuts of meat. But here's the good news. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars a month to stay strong. In fact, there are at least 7 everyday foods, each costing under $3, 0 cents per serving, that can help you build muscle just as well, if not better, than those overpriced supplements. And the most powerful one of all? It costs less than 50 cents. In this video, I'll walk you through all 7 foods, explain why they work so well for older muscles, and show you how to add them to your meals. Stick with me, and if you find this helpful, go ahead and tap the like button or leave a comment. It's a simple way to support the channel and help more seniors discover these powerful, budget-friendly foods. 1. Dried beans, 15 grams of protein per cup, $1.20 per pound. Dried beans might look simple, but they are one of the best muscle-building foods you can eat, especially if you're watching your budget. Just 1 cup of cooked beans gives you around 15 grams of protein, and when you think about how cheap they are, about $1.20 per pound, that's an amazing deal. You get more protein for your money than almost any other food, which is a big help when you want to eat healthy without spending too much. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Beans are packed with fiber, which helps your digestion, lowers cholesterol, and keeps your blood sugar from spiking. That's especially important as we get older because stable energy and heart health make daily life so much easier. And when you pair beans with grains like rice or whole wheat bread, you get a complete protein with all the amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair. It's no wonder beans and rice have been a strength-building meal in so many cultures for centuries. Cooking beans doesn't have to be hard. You can soak and simmer them if you like the old-fashioned way, but if you want quick and easy, canned beans work just fine. Just rinse them to wash off the extra salt. Toss them into salads, stir them into soups, or make a big batch of bean chili that can last you several meals. They're filling, tasty, and gentle on the stomach. Unlike sugary snacks that leave you tired, beans give you steady energy that lasts all day. Imagine having a bowl of beans for lunch and still feeling strong enough to enjoy your evening walk or play with your grandkids. That's the kind of fuel they give you. The truth is, many seniors think building muscle is too expensive or requires fancy powders, but beans prove that wrong. They are affordable, easy to use, and backed by science as one of the smartest foods for strength. Simple, healthy, and budget-friendly beans really do give you the power to stay strong at any age. 2. Greek yogurt, 20 grams of protein per cup, $5.00 for 32 Oz. Greek yogurt is one of those foods that looks simple in the grocery store aisle, but it's actually a powerhouse when it comes to building muscle and keeping your body strong. Just 1 cup gives you around 20 grams of protein, which is more than most protein shakes, and it costs only about $5 for a big 32-ounce tub. That means you're getting high-quality protein for a very reasonable price. And unlike powders or supplements, this is real food your body knows how to use. Protein from Greek yogurt is especially helpful because it's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles steadily over several hours. That makes it a perfect snack before bed, when your body does most of its repair and growth while you sleep. But it's not just about the protein. Greek yogurt is also packed with calcium for stronger bones and probiotics that keep your gut healthy, which can make digestion smoother and even boost your immune system. For seniors, this combination is a big win. Strong bones, strong muscles, and better digestion, all in one affordable food. And if you've ever worried about plain yogurt being too sour, don't let that stop you. You can make it taste delicious by adding fruit like berries or a drizzle of honey. That way you get natural sweetness and extra vitamins without ruining the health benefits. Another great thing about Greek yogurt is how versatile it is. You can eat it on its own as a snack, mix it into smoothies for an easy breakfast, or even use it as a healthier swap for sour cream in your favorite recipes. Imagine enjoying your baked potato or chili, but with a topping that not only tastes good, but also gives your muscles a boost. That's the kind of small change that can make a big difference over time. Some people think that eating for muscle means spending a fortune on meat or fancy supplements, but Greek yogurt proves that isn't true. With just a few dollars, you can have protein-packed food that's easy to digest, full of benefits, and backed by science, as one of the smartest choices you can make. And the best part is, it's something you can enjoy every single day without getting tired of it. Greek yogurt is simple, affordable, and powerful. Exactly what you need if you want to stay strong, healthy, and energized at any age. 3. Eggs. 6 grams of protein each, $2.50 per dozen. Eggs are one of the most powerful and affordable muscle-building foods you can add to your diet, and the best part is, they've probably been sitting in your kitchen all along. At about $2.50 for a dozen, each egg gives you 6 grams of high-quality protein, which means you're paying only pennies for one of the best natural sources of nutrition you can find. What makes eggs so special isn't just the protein, but the balance of nutrients packed inside that small shell. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your body needs to repair and grow muscle, especially as we get older, when muscle recovery takes more time. Eating eggs regularly helps make sure your body always has the raw material it needs to stay strong. Many people used to worry about cholesterol in eggs, but science has shown that for most healthy people, eggs don't actually raise harmful cholesterol the way we once thought. In fact, the yolk is where a lot of the nutrition lives. That bright yellow center is filled with vitamins like B12 and D, along with minerals such as selenium, which support energy and immune health. For seniors, vitamin D in particular is extremely important since it helps protect bone strength and reduces the risk of falls. So instead of skipping the yolk, it's better to enjoy the whole egg and get the full benefit. Eggs are also one of the most versatile foods you'll ever cook. You can scramble them in the morning for a quick breakfast, boil a few to keep in the fridge for a handy snack, or use them to make a protein-rich salad. They fit into almost any meal, and because they're so filling, they can help keep you satisfied longer and reduce unnecessary snacking. Pairing eggs with vegetables like spinach or peppers gives you even more vitamins, while keeping your meal colorful and enjoyable. For anyone trying to build or maintain muscle on a budget, eggs are proof that you don't need expensive shakes or supplements to get results. They're simple, tasty, and proven by science to support muscle growth and overall health. And when you think about it, there's something comforting about eating a food that has nourished generations before us and continues to do so today. Eggs are more than just breakfast. They're a small, affordable way to take care of your body and stay strong at any age. 4. Canned tuna, 22 grams of protein, $1.00 per can. Canned tuna is truly one of the smartest and most affordable foods you can add to your diet if you want to build muscle without spending much. One can give you around 22 grams of high-quality protein, which is a huge boost for your muscles, especially as we age and naturally lose strength. At only about $1 per can, the value is almost impossible to beat. Instead of paying big money for protein powders or fancy supplements, you can get the same muscle-building support from a simple can of tuna that costs less than a cup of coffee. Tuna is considered a lean protein, meaning it helps you build muscle without adding too many extra calories or fat. For seniors, this balance is especially important since maintaining muscle while keeping a healthy weight is the key to staying active and independent. Studies have shown that spreading protein throughout the day helps your body repair and grow muscle more effectively, and tuna makes that very easy. It's soft, flaky, and simple to prepare, perfect for those who may find tougher meats harder to chew. You can mix it into a fresh salad, spread it on whole grain bread, or just enjoy it straight out of the can with a little lemon juice. Besides protein, tuna is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support your heart, brain, and joints by reducing inflammation. That means every can doesn't just feed your muscles, it helps your whole body feel better and stronger. Plus, canned tuna is shelf-stable and requires no cooking, just open, mix, and eat. If you like variety, you can add Greek yogurt or light mayo for creaminess, chopped veggies for crunch, or stir it into pasta for a filling dinner. With a little creativity, it never feels boring. So next time you're at the store, grab a few cans to keep on hand. It's cheap, convenient, and science-backed for muscle growth. Sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful, and canned tuna proves exactly that. If you're enjoying this so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tips we share. And if you have any questions or if something doesn't feel clear, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you, and I'll do my best to help. 5. Lentils, 18 grams of protein per cup, under $1.50 per pound. Lentils may look small and simple, but don't let their size fool you. They are absolute powerhouses when it comes to building muscle on a budget. One cooked cup of lentils gives you around 18 grams of plant-based protein, and that's more than enough to support muscle repair and growth, especially if you eat them regularly. What makes lentils so amazing is not only their protein, but also their price. You can usually find a whole pound for less than $1.50, and that pound can turn into several hearty meals. Compared to expensive cuts of meat or trendy protein shakes, lentils are proof that you don't have to spend big to eat smart. They are packed with fiber, which keeps your digestion healthy and your energy steady, so you don't experience the crashes that often come with processed foods. For seniors, this is a huge advantage, because good digestion and stable energy levels are just as important as strong muscles. Lentils are also full of important nutrients like iron, magnesium, and folate, which help keep your blood and heart strong while supporting recovery after exercise. Another reason lentils are so powerful is how versatile they are. You can enjoy them in warm soups, add them to fresh salads, or mix them into rice for a protein-rich meal. They're soft and easy to chew, which makes them perfect for anyone who struggles with tougher meats. Plus, lentils don't spoil quickly and are easy to store in your pantry, so you can always have a healthy protein option ready without rushing to the store. Science shows that plant proteins like lentils, when combined with other foods such as rice or whole grains, provide all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle just as effectively as animal protein. That means you can trust lentils not only to fill you up, but also to fuel your body in a way that keeps you strong, active, and independent as you age. At the end of the day, lentils are living proof that eating cheap doesn't mean eating poorly. It means being smart, and your body will thank you for it. 6. Cottage cheese. 24 grams of protein per cup, $2.50 for 16 oz. Cottage cheese is one of those foods that doesn't always get the spotlight, but it absolutely deserves it if you want to build muscle without spending too much. Just 1 cup gives you around 24 grams of high-quality protein, which is more than enough to help your muscles repair and grow stronger after any activity. The best part? A whole 16-ounce container usually costs only about $2.50, making it a bargain compared to many other protein-rich foods. What makes cottage cheese so special is the type of protein it contains. It's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for hours, keeping your body in a steady state of recovery and growth. This makes it perfect for seniors who may not eat as frequently or who want something that keeps them satisfied for longer. Imagine eating a serving of cottage cheese in the evening. It works quietly through the night, giving your muscles exactly what they need to stay strong. Beyond protein, cottage cheese is also packed with calcium for healthy bones, B vitamins that support energy, and probiotics that can help your digestion. For older adults, that combination is priceless. Stronger bones, steady energy, and a healthy gut all support a more active and independent lifestyle. Another reason I love cottage cheese is how easy it is to enjoy. You don't need to cook it or prepare anything complicated. Just open the container and you're ready to go. You can eat it plain, pair it with fruit for a sweet and creamy snack, or even add it to savory dishes like baked potatoes or salads. Its mild taste makes it incredibly versatile, so you won't get bored of eating it. And if you've struggled with tougher foods or chewing issues, cottage cheese is soft and gentle, yet still provides the protein punch your body needs. Science has long shown that dairy proteins, like the ones found in cottage cheese, are some of the most effective for building lean muscle and helping with recovery. That means you can feel confident that this simple, affordable food is doing big things for your health. Cottage cheese proves you don't need fancy powders or expensive meals to get results. You just need smart, reliable choices. If you've been searching for a food that works as hard as you do, cottage cheese may just be your secret weapon for staying strong, energized, and youthful no matter your age. 7. Canned sardines, 23 grams of protein, $1.25 per can. Canned sardines are one of the cheapest and most powerful foods you can eat to build muscle fast. For only about $1.25 a can, you're getting 23 grams of high-quality protein. That's an incredible deal compared to most protein sources, and it makes sardines perfect if you're trying to save money but still want real results. But the benefits go beyond protein. Sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that support your heart, fight inflammation, and help keep your joints moving smoothly. For seniors, that matters a lot because staying active and pain-free is the key to independence. On top of that, sardines are naturally rich in calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients that work together to keep bones strong and lower the risk of fractures as we age. This means they're not just helping you build muscle, they're protecting your bones too. Another great thing about canned sardines is convenience. You don't need to cook or prepare them. Just open the can and eat. You can enjoy them on whole grain toast, mix them into salads, or pair them with pasta for a quick, hearty meal. They have a bold flavor that some people take time to get used to, but once you do, they can easily become a favorite. And unlike fresh fish, which can be pricey and spoil quickly, canned sardines are budget-friendly, last a long time, and are always ready when you need them. Science backs this up. Sardines deliver protein, healthy fats, and bone-strengthening minerals all in one affordable food. They're not fancy, but they are powerful. Small fish, big benefits. So next time you're in the grocery store, don't skip that little can. It could be the smartest choice you make for your health, strength, and wallet. Here's the bottom line. You don't need expensive powders or fancy cuts of meat to stay strong after 60. Real, affordable foods, like the ones we talked about today, are enough to keep your muscles healthy and your energy high. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised how much stronger you feel over time. If this video helped you, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these foods you'll try first. And if you found this useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who might need a little inspiration. Your support means a lot, and it helps us bring you even more practical tips to stay strong, healthy, and independent.